Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to connect Apple CarPlay using your iPhone. So if you have a CarPlay device in your car, I'll see from here. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the info home screen, I'll see from here. And from the home screen, you need to choose Apple CarPlay. After you choose the Apple CarPlay, now you need to actually click on connect phone. So there's two options I'll see from here. So it says when safe, you can connect a phone to the USB port or pair it over Bluetooth. So you have two options. The first one is to connect it using a USB cable. You need to make sure that USB cable is compatible and an original cable. And the second method that you can use is using Bluetooth. So now you can actually click on connect phone, and after that from here you need to click on connect a new device. So from this screen you can actually pair your iPhone using Bluetooth. I'll see from here you need to go on your iPhone to the Bluetooth section and search for your car name. So it should be something like this depending on your car name that you have used on the CarPlay. After that you need to hit on use CarPlay from your iPhone, and that's it. Now you can enjoy CarPlay using your iPhone, and you can mirror your screen and do a lot of other things. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.